Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 model Toyota Wigo G, 1.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 20,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 510,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 98,300 pesos. Free transfer of ownership. (2016 model Toyota RAV4 Active, 2.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 70,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 660,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 188,500 pesos. Free transfer of ownership. (2015 model Honda Mobilio V, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 60,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 460,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 135,700 pesos. Free transfer of ownership. (2021 model Toyota Innova J, 2.8-liter diesel engine, manual transmission, 20,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 770,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 215,700 pesos. Free transfer of ownership. 2022 model Toyota Vios XLE, 1.3-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 20,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 545,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 101,100 pesos. Free transfer of ownership. (2017) model Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 50,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 290,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 62,300 pesos. Free transfer of ownership. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.